Hi guys, welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to make this homemade security system gadget. It can scan the premises every second and with the addition of a camera take pictures of the premises in real time. If fully developed it can reduce the number of security threats it can be deployed at any home. Using this technology makes it that it can be manned by one person. This home security gadget can be made fully autonomous. It can send the user alerts in case a break-in occurs. The code and the schematic diagram will be in the description. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video please like, share and subscribe for more upcoming videos.